¿Qué tal? Muy buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches, donde quiera que se encuentren. Ah, aquí un camarada, un compañero, me preguntó cómo trabaja el tone timer. ¿Quieren un ejemplo del tone timer? Creo que la mayoría de nosotros en alguna ocasión lo hemos usado, o más de una ocasión, perdón. Somebody asked me in the channel how the TON timer works, the tone timer works. I guess we have used that one so many times on an occasion or whatever we used it before. Okay, very first thing I'm going to do, la primera cosa que voy a hacer es voy a hacer una nueva rutina. I'm going to make a new routine. Okay, let's put that one timer for name timer counters. Okay, timers and counters. Back here, let me copy this one. Let's copy the jump to subroutine. That way we enable that subroutine on the other side. Okay. Ok, ya que habilitamos la otra subrutina de la que acabamos de hacer, de los timers y los contadores, vamos a cerrar. Déjenme cerrar aquí. Let me close everything. Now open counters. That way, that's going to be the only one we're going to have open. That way I can make the screen kinda a little bit bigger. That way we can see it better, okay? Okay, let's see. Let's get the timer, okay? Very first thing we're going to do is add a timer. Lo primerito que vamos a hacer va a ser añadir un timer. Nos venimos a la pestañita de timers y le ponemos un timercito aquí. Very first thing we do is add the timer, okay? We went to the tab that says timers and put the timer. Okay, now let's get a name. Right click over, botón de la derecha, hacemos nueva etiqueta. Vamos a ponerle timer general. General timer, okay, or timer general. Then we create it. One thing, Simon asked me too, if I want to make more than one timer, how I can do it. Okay, you see down here, we open the brackets and we put 10 and we close the brackets. That way we make 10 timers. All of them are going to be having the same name, timer general, but it's going to be 0 to 9. Ok, de esta manera hacemos. Simón me preguntó cómo se hacen más timers sin tener que estar escribiéndolos cada vez. En este caso vamos a hacer 10 timers. Abrimos los brackets, ponemos el 10, cerramos los brackets y de esa manera se hacen 10 timers. Vamos a mostrarlo, ok. Le damos crear, we create it, ok. Now that it's created, back here we can see that we have from 0 to 9. Vemos que tenemos del 0 al 9 10 timers, ok. Solo seleccionamos este y ya tenemos el primer timer. Basically, preset. What is the preset? Preset is the amount of the counting we wanted to do, okay, or count to, okay. El preset es nada más ni nada menos hasta donde queremos que este timer cuente. Queremos que este timer cuente hasta el 10,000, le ponemos al 10,000. Hay que recordar que el tone timer en el 5,000, estudio o lo que sea, pero siempre y cuando sean los 5,000, van a contar por 1000. 1000 es un segundo. You gotta remember in the studio 5000 of anything 5000 above, 1000 equals 1 second. Okay, saying that 60 seconds is going to be 60,000. Okay, my preset in this case is going to be 10,000 or equal to 10 seconds. Mi preset va a ser ni más ni menos que 10,000 segundos, ok. 10 segundos. ¿Qué es el ACC o el acumulativo? ¿Qué es el ACC? El ACC es nada más, nada menos donde va contando. Eso se puede usar para habilitar otras rutinas, habilitar otros movimientos que se deseen hacer. Y también hay ahorita los vamos a mostrar, ok. Vamos a utilizar para que este se resete. Le vamos a poner aquí el done bit. ¿Sale? Tenemos en las opciones. In the options we got a preset, ACC, enable, timer timing, and done. What each one does, the preset is the one we set where it wants how or up to what we want it to count. El preset es hasta cuánto queremos que cuente. ACC is the accumulative information. Ok, ahí es donde guarda lo que se ha acumulado del conteo. Enable is a bool. It only turns on as soon as the run becomes true or the timer is counting. Este solamente se pone activo o se pone verdadero cuando el timer empieza a contar o cuando la línea, el run, se hace verdadera. El timer timing es el contador cuando el timer está contando. Timer timing is when the counter is when the timer is timing, okay? When it's counting up. And done bit, as always, is going to be when it's done. As the name says, done. Es cuando termina de contar, se acaba, se vuelve verdadero. ¿Sale? Okay. For now, let's see it, okay? Let's see how we can get this thing to work. And there you go. There's counting. It's enable. And it's counting. Let's put a one line down here. Vamos a poner una línea. Vamos a ver cómo funciona el... Vamos a poner el enable. Let's put the enable first. Okay, let's put an output here. That way we can see. Let's call this one dummy bit. Dummy. Use dummy. Let's make this one... It's a int, okay? Now, it's going to be dummy 10. Okay, and this line is used to prove how the enable works. Okay. Tan pronto como el timer en esta línea vamos a probar lo que es cómo el enable trabaja. ¿Sí? Una manera y cuando vuelve a verdadero, ¿sale? Se prende esta de aquí, el dummy 10. Obviamente lo vamos a ver nosotros verdadero todo el tiempo porque está habilitado. In this run we will see that the enable bit is on all the time, holding this one on, okay? Now one easy way for me to replicate this run is if I copy the run and paste it. The only thing I'm going to be changing here is a few little things. Okay, we got the enable. Let's see the timer timing. Okay. This is going to be 11 now. Aquí vamos a poner el timer timing y vamos a ponerlo en el 11. ¿Sale? Es casi igual que el enable, pero este termina. Vamos a hacer la tercera, vamos a pegar la tercera, que va a ser ni más ni menos. Bueno, el done lo tenemos allá arriba, pero lo vamos a poner aquí abajo también. Y este va a ser el 12. Done bit, we're already using it to reset the timer, but let's leave it there, okay? Okay. We are not going to be able to see this one because it happens so fast. It happens really fast that we are not going to be able to see it. Pasa demasiado rápido el done bit que no vamos a poder verlo, pero afortunadamente hay una manera en que podemos verlo. Okay. Le podemos dar el trending. There's an easy way or as a way we can see it. When something happens so fast and we don't see it, we can trend. Okay. Let's do right click and trend it here. You see, you choose trend. Let's wait for the trending. Back here is 0 to 1. Back here is 0. Let's wait a little bit. I guess we're not going to be able to see it. It's happening too fast. Let's see. Al parecer no lo alcanzo a ver, pero cuando termina, vamos a darle que le queremos dar el done bit está aquí. Como podemos ver visualmente aquí se ve, as we know that we is timing because we can see here. Okay, these are the options with the timer timing and the dump bit. Okay, let's put here in between a move instruction. Okay, let's call this timer time. Lo vamos a utilizar, vamos a hacerle un dint y lo vamos a utilizar, we make a dint, timer time, ok, para poner la información en lo que es el timer general, ok, el preset. Either we type pre or we scroll down and look for it, ok. Okay. Now we got a preset, now 0. Let's make this one 10,000. There it goes. Now lo pusimos a 10,000. Así podemos mover información de una etiqueta que puede venir del HMI, que puede venir de cualquier otra ecuación que estemos haciendo para que se pueda ver, ¿ok? Eso es en lo que respecta al timer. Lo mismo podemos hacer con el ACC. El ACC también lo podemos jalar. Déjenme ponerlo a un lado de esta. Vamos a copiar y pegar. ¿Sí? En este caso, como es el acumulativo, lo vamos a buscar. Como ustedes pueden ver, es un dint también. Timer time. Let's put this one ACC. Okay. Make a new tag. Right click on the button, then we make create a new tag. It's going to be a dint. Okay, now this is going to be doing is going to be moving that information into here. Okay, this way we can use the trend option I was trying to use before a little bit early. Okay, it is counting, you can see it here. Como pueden ver, usando el trending podemos ver y pum, cae a 0. Sube, ¿sí?, en el conteo y vuelve a bajar cuando llega a los 10,000. ¿Sí? Esta herramienta es muy buena, que nos puede ayudar a tratar de encontrar el problema. Trying to figure out how the issues are, something weird that is happening, we can see it, we trend it, and we may be able to find the issue, okay? Something really simple and easy. What? Okay, that is with respect to the timer, to the tone timer. This way is resetting and starting. We got 10 seconds. We want to go faster, we just change that. Si queremos ir más rápido, simple y sencillamente le cambiamos, ok. Y ahí está. Bueno, sin más por el momento, esto es con respecto al timer. Now, vamos a utilizar este para un count up timer. ¿Sale? Vamos a estar utilizando este de aquí. How the counters work. Okay, we're going to make one line just to see how the counters they work. And let me see, that one is going to be counter up, counter down, time off, retentive timer on, and reset. Let's go up. Let's put the name. Let's put a counter. Let's make the tag app. Okay. Preset. Let's make the new tag. Vamos a hacer la primera etiqueta. ¿Sale? Voy muy rápido. Cuando se hace a la etiqueta, aquí le vamos a poner que es un counter, que es un contador. When we make the label, it's going to be a counter. Automatically put it there, okay? Okie dokie. Let's go to 100. Okay, but this bit here needs to go up and down, up and down. What we're going to be doing is using this timer. That way we can see when the counter is counting. Okay, every time this one becomes true, it will go up by 1, 2, 3. Okay, but how we can reset this? Oh, okay, let's, of course, we gotta reset it, right? And we gotta reset. Then we put this one when we want to reset it. Okay, we want to reset it when this one reaches 100. Okay, let's make a bit. And let's use counter up. And done. And let's see how it works. Y vamos a ver cómo funciona. Le vamos a cambiar a 10 para no esperar tanto. Ok. Every time this timer goes enable the done bit, this one goes up 1. And that is how a counter works. Así es como con los contadores trabajan. Cada vez que el timer termina de contar con el done bit, se incrementa por A1. Y sigue aumentando, ok. Ahorita vamos a ver qué sucede. In a moment, we're going to see when equals 10 goes back to 0. Okay. Why it went back to 0? Because the done bit became truth. And it resets. Then starts over again. Now, here is the good part. Okay. Now let's see. Let's get the counter down. Okay. You get the counter down. Vamos a hacer el counter down para que lo podamos apreciar. Let's make a counter down. That way we can practice with it. It's going to be 10. It's going to be the same. Let's make a new one. Here is going to be again a counter. Okay. But it gotta be. Oops. One second here, I'm having a trouble. I'm just losing it. Okay, this counter down is going to be a counter. Lo estoy perdiendo, es un contador. Lo que lo vamos a hacer aquí es le vamos a cambiar al counter down, okay? And there it goes. Then, of course, we gotta reset it. Preset is going to be 10. Okay. And let's send it. Then the reset is going to be this one. Just copy and paste, and we put counter down. Oopsie. Okay, now let's get them started at the same time. As you can see, one counts up, one is counting down. Then we got to reset. I'm using the counter up to reset, okay? And the same as any other counter, there you got a count up, count down option. Okay. They have the same functions that we can use, and when it gets to 10, it will reset. And that is how you do counter up, counter down. Así es como tenemos los counters hacia arriba o hacia abajo. Bueno, sin más por el momento, espero que esto les sirva de algo. I hope this helps you guys out. Simon, I hope this one helps you out a little bit, okay? That is a simple counter. As you guys can see, it went to 0, both of them. Ok. Como pueden ver, fue a 0. Sigue contando. ¿Vale? Vamos a decir, aquí lo quiero en 5000 para que vaya más rápido. Timer change to 5 seconds. And it's going to count faster. Ok. Ahora va a contar más rápido porque lo cambiamos a 5 segundos. Hicimos el cambio aquí. Podemos ponerle 3 segundos y medio. 3 seconds and a half, and he keeps counting fast. Okay, let's here. Let's see if we can trend this. Nope, doesn't let me trend. Right there, but if we move this one to outside and another tag, we are going to be able to see it, okay? I hope this helps. Bueno, Dios me los bendiga, Dios me les guarde y que esto les funcione. Y ya saben, aquí tenemos lo que se necesita hacer. Denle por favor allí. Y no se les olvide darle dedito para arriba, suscribirse, tocar la campanita. Y nos estamos viendo en el próximo video. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Thumbs up, thumbs down, and the bell. Thank you very much. And that was all for today. See you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and don't forget, up or down, it works for me. Thank you very much, and see you guys in the next video, okay? Have a good one.